The Secrets of Treasure Planet. Once upon a time, in a small village by the sea, stories were whispered about a mysterious and magical place known only as Treasure Planet. It was said that this hidden island was home to treasures beyond one's imagination, and that whoever discovered its secrets would find immense wealth and happiness. In the village lived a young boy named Tom, who loved these stories more than anything in the world. Tom was a curious and adventurous child, always eager to help his father repair the fishing boats and learn about life on the open sea. Listening to the tales of Treasure Planet, he was inspired to one day become a brave sailor and explore the vast ocean, determined to find the fabled island and unlock the secrets that lay within. Tom's father had always told him that the search for Treasure Planet was a fool's errand, nothing but a myth. As much as Tom admired his father, his heart clung to the belief that the island was real and that he was destined to find it. On Tom's 13th birthday, he discovered an unusual old book at the village market. Mysteriously, the book contained tales, maps, and riddles of Treasure Planet. With no hesitation, he spent his birthday money on the book and studied it closely for months, deciphering its secrets and solving its riddles, until he created a map that he believed would lead him to the mysterious island. One day, while Tom's father was away on a fishing trip, Tom prepared himself for a daring adventure, knowing his father would disapprove. He gathered supplies, left a note for his father, and set sail on his small boat with his beloved book and the hand-drawn map. Tom sailed for days, facing treacherous storms, rough seas, and dangerous creatures. He used the knowledge his father had taught him about the sea and his own courage to overcome these challenges. Finally, Tom reached Treasure Planet. It was an enchanting island, filled with lush forests, sparkling beaches, and towering mountains. He clutched the book tightly, his eyes sparkling with anticipation. Thanks to the riddles within the book, Tom discovered that the treasures of the island were hidden throughout the land and were meant to be unlocked by completing various challenges. Throughout his journey, Tom encountered magical creatures that helped him learn the secrets of the island. With their guidance, he was able to unlock the hidden treasures, but instead of material wealth, they were treasures of wisdom, friendship, and inner strength. Tom continued to explore the island until one day he discovered a mysterious door. With courage in his heart, he inserted a magical key he had found earlier into the door, and as it creaked open, he saw the most incredible sight, a room filled with the most magnificent treasures he could ever dream of. But near the entrance stood an old man, guarding the treasures. He told Tom that he could claim just one treasure, but this time, Tom hesitated. The young adventurer realized that the true magic of Treasure Planet was not in its material wealth, but in the qualities he had gained and the friendships he had made on his journey. Tom thanked the old man and turned his back on the room of treasures. As he left, a magical light followed him, and as it engulfed him, it engulfed the entire island. The island ceased to exist in the physical realm, and Tom found himself back in his small boat, afloat on the endless sea. Now knowing the true value of the adventure he had embarked upon, Tom returned to his village a wise and humble boy, treasuring the experiences and lessons beyond measure. He shared his story with the villagers, where it became an enduring tale told from generation to generation, reminding people of the great importance of wisdom, courage, and friendship over material possessions. As for the magical island of Treasure Planet, it would be revealed to only those who were pure of heart and were bold enough to seek its wisdom, forever changing their lives for the better.